this is Derek Video Cobra. I love to travel and I'm at Kelong Kawal here in Tanjung Pinang, or it's also called Bintan Island. And if you follow me here, I'm actually staying on a Kelong right now, and I'd like to show you this fantastic phenomenon here in the Kelong. If you take a closer look up there, these are not bats. Remember, these are not bats. They look like bats, but they are actually swallows. Right behind me here. And right over all on the ledge over here on the roof. These are swallows that actually provides bird nests. And they come back here every evening. Look at this particular portion here. Fantastic, unbelievable. There are probably thousands.